So you want to know how to redeem a gift card or coupon code in the Pretty Little Thing application. Here's how you can do it under a minute. So first things first, when it comes to a e-gift card, if you've received it through your email, just click on the redemption link within the email and you'll be prompted to log in with your PLT account or create a new one, and then you can redeem it. But if you're in an app, all you need to do is simply go ahead and add something to your card first. So let's just say, for example, I want to get this for now. And now all I need to do is choose a size and add to bag. Once I've added to bag, click on view bag, and now as you can see, if I click on add promo code, you can simply go ahead and enter your promo code and click on apply. If you click on checkout, you'll also go ahead and have to log in first, so simply log in and then you'll be able to choose gift card as your payment option or method. And once you enter your 16-digit code and the CVV, it'll be applied and deducted from the total amount. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to contact